Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking this rear bumper off of this Dodge truck and we're going to be restoring it with our OEM Select paint to 100% paint match the rest of the vehicle. We start by addressing the peeling paint and the rusty corner using a die grinder to get most of the corrosion off and to see what we're working with. For the pitted areas the die grinder can't access, we switch over to the needle scaler. We hit the front and back sides of the corners and some problem areas around the mounting hardware. Next, we feather out the old paint and sand everything with an 80 grit on a DA to give us a base for body filler. We discover corrosion in the one corner had started to rot, so we need to do a small metal repair as well. Using the body saw, we make a clean cut back to decent metal. With the damage cut out, we find a piece of metal with the same thickness and cut a patch with the cutoff wheel. Now we have made our cut, created our patch, and it's time to weld it in. We grab the MIG 250 welder and some stitch weld magnets to hold everything in place while we tack it. Then we finish welding it along the seams. Finally, we finish the metal work up with the mini belt sander. To prevent any remaining rust from coming back, we spray the outside with Fast Etch. This will convert the rust to a stable layer of iron phosphate so we can apply body filler over top. We mix up some filler and spread it on the outside of the bumper to smooth out the metal work and roughness that's left behind. The inside isn't seen, so after a thorough cleaning, we coat it with our aerosol rust encapsulator. This should prevent the rust from coming back anytime soon.
All right, well you can see we're outside now here today. We're gonna work on the body filler. I just want to kind of put a note out there. You can see I am definitely not the best body filler applicator in the world. Either I go way too thin, or in this case, we got some icing. Definitely caked it up there a bit. So we're gonna do some 80 grit with a DA to get this knocked down to a manageable level, head back inside and finish up with a DSP. We're back inside and we're ready for the DSP. So we're gonna do this job right, get this all smoothed out and start going. All right, we've got this thing all the way up through 320 grit. Everything's feeling pretty flat. We're gonna get this thing wiped down with some pre, get some epoxy on these bare spots that we've broken through on, and then shoot the whole thing in urethane primer. All right, we got our epoxy applied to all of our bare metal parts. We're gonna move on to our primer surface here next. We've got our P500 here ready. We're gonna do the whole bumper. We're gonna do about 2 coats on this thing. All right, we're back out here in the studio today. The primer's dried overnight. Everything's looking good. We're gonna start hitting it with the DSB here. We're gonna start with 320, move up to 400, and then we're gonna switch over to the DA for a final sanding before we get this thing into color and clear. Before we get in the booth, we want to make sure our bodywork is straight. As a last chance to catch any flaws, we spray the bumper with perfect panel check fluid and look at the reflection. This mimics how clear we'll look on the part, so we're checking for any waves or imperfections. If we see them here, we'll see them in the paint. This looks good, so we can move on. All right, the primer is all prepped and clean, sanded down, ready to go. We've got it in the booth. We've got our OEM Select here for this 2017 Dodge Ram. It's gonna perfectly match the truck. We're gonna mix this up, get the spraying. All right, we've got 3 coats of our OEM Select paint on the bumper now. Everything's looking real good. We're waiting for that to flash off. Next, we're gonna set up our 4-to-1 premium show clear. We're gonna get about 2 to 3 coats on that and finish this thing up.
All right, we've got the bumper all ready to go here. We mounted it back up to the truck. Everything came out really good. We get this thing back to the customer. All right, well, that's a wrap. We've got this thing all ready to go. If you remember the beginning of this video, we started off with a bumper that had rust all the way up through, probably about 3-4 inches high into the paint. We took all of that rust and bad paint off of there, scuffed and shot the bumper, all the way up through primer to color to clear with our new OEM Select paint. For more information for any of the products you see here, head over to eastwood.com.